In today's tutorial, we will go through the work-life balance feature of WebWork Time Tracker. The purpose of this feature is to help you or your employees to keep their work and personal life balanced and not overwork or slack off. In order to set up the work-life balance feature, go to Settings, General Settings, Work-Life Balance. If you are the workspace owner, you will have two tabs in the settings, one for your workspace members and the other for you. In the workspace settings, you can set up a number of features for your workspace members. The limit of overtime working hours means that when your workspace members work more than is required, they will be notified by WebWork and encouraged to stop. The latest acceptable hour means they will be notified once they work until the set latest hour. The daily limit of working hours outside of schedule shows the maximum number of hours that users can track time outside of schedule, for example on weekends. If they work and track more hours, WebWork will notify them. And the limit of active work without rest shows how often your employees will be notified to take a break if they work non-stop for the set number of hours. You can set your preferred hours for each, and WebWork will notify your team members if they work more than these settings require. Now about personal setup. Here you can set up your own work-life balance settings. The first group refers to activities that you would like to do more often during work. Simply choose the ones you want, like so, and WebWork will give you pop-up reminders during work. The second group refers to things that you want to dedicate more time to. If you choose, for example, My Family and Working Out, WebWork will give you regular reminders when you work more than is required in the workspace settings mentioned previously. Choose the ones you need and click Save. We encourage you as an owner to definitely use these settings and be mindful about how you approach them, as they are meant to improve the work process of your employees. That's it. Thank you for choosing WebWork. Follow us for more tutorials and helpful videos.